Now we're trying the XSR 900. See how this compares to MT-09. It's actually a very nice looking bike. Yeah, let's see. Okay, good sitting position. My legs are slightly bent, flat-footed. Cool, good to do that. And this is the Tracer 9 GT. Same engine has the XSR 900, the MT-09, so it's a CP3 engine. This is a little bit of the touring version of it. Automatic. Let's see how it feels. Obviously it's a taller bike and I feel it. And this is the Tiger 900. Be an interesting comparison after riding the Tracer 9. Looking at it, it looks like seat might be a little bit more comfortable. Let's see. This is not automatic, but it has the quick shifter. Okay, this is a taller bike than the Tracer was. GSX-8T. This is a limited version. However, I just wanted to package that. And here we have the Street Triple 675. Nice color. It is unfortunately limited 25 kilowatts, but it's a beautiful bike. And let's see how it handles. This bike is awesome. Super cool. So this is the Trident 800. I want to compare it now to the Street Triple 765 that I just rode, and compare the two. Sound, engine. Ooh, this has a Kaprovich engine. That should be interesting to listen to. Awesome bike. Yeah.